So, good morning children. Today class we are going to study with the chapter 11 perimeter and area. Okay. So, chapter 10. You might be thinking that why the teacher has skipped the chapter 10. Na? Chapter 10 is a practical geometry. So, that chapter cannot be taught in online class. So, we are moving to chapter 11. Chapter 10 will teach you later. Okay. Now, let me go to chapter 11, that is perimeter and area. So, this perimeter and area you might have studied from smaller classes itself. From 4th standard onwards, you are studying this perimeter, area, circle, square, all these things. Na? So, today we are going to recall that and we are going to do with the sums. Okay. Now, what is perimeter? Perimeter is a distance around a closed figure. Okay. Perimeter is a distance around a closed figure. What is area? Area is the shaded region occupied by the closed figure. Okay. So, what is perimeter? This you can see in the figure which is there. What is the shape of this figure? It is square, right? So, you can see it is outlined with green color. Na? This outline we will call it as perimeter. That's why we will say perimeter is the distance around a closed figure. You can see this is a figure. This green color line is around the closed figure. That's why we will call it as perimeter. Okay. So, what is area? Area is a shaded region. Area is a place which is shaded here. Can you see here? This is shaded. Na? This blue color place we will call it as area. Clear? So, this one is perimeter. Green color line is a perimeter. And blue color part is a area. Okay. Now, let me go with different shapes. Okay. So, you all might be knowing what are the shapes of this. This is square, this is rectangle, this is triangle, and this is circle. Now, let me know about it. What is the perimeter and area of all these shapes? So, these all shapes we will call it as regular shapes. Till this we will call it as regular shapes. Because here these shapes are made with straight lines, line segments, right? So, square has how many sides? You all know what is the side of the square. You can see the square. So, this is a square, right? So, in this square, this is said to be the side. Clear? These four sides we will say it as sides. This is said to be perimeter. Now, this place, the plain space is there, na? This place we will call it as, what we will call? Area, right? So, this we will say it as square. You can also do the model and you can keep it in your notebook. Okay. Now, let me go with the shape of rectangle. This is the shape of rectangle. You can see the shape of the rectangle. See the outline line. This is said to be the length and this is said to be the breadth. Okay. So, there are two length and two breadth. So, both the length and breadth we will call it as perimeter. Okay. The shaded part, inside it is shaded. Na? This blue shaded part we will call it as area. Right? So, now you understood what is area and what is perimeter of a rectangle. Now, let me go to the triangle. So, this is a triangle. You can see this triangle. How many sides are there in this triangle? 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 sides are there in a triangle. And this green shaded part we will call it as area. Right? Understood children?